Welcome, in front of me is a NUBIA Red Magic 7 and today I will show you how you can capture a screenshot on this phone. So to get started, you'll want to number one, open up content that you wish to capture. I'll be using home screen as an example for this. Now once your content is open and visible on the screen, all you need to do is hold power key and volume down at the same time. So there we go. You'll get this pop-up and it will stay here for a moment, giving you a scrollable screenshot option and share, and after a moment it just disappears. Now when it comes down to the scrollable screenshot, you will need to have content that you can actually scroll down on, like settings as an example. Now whichever screenshots you will take over the time, all of them will be accessible to you in your gallery application, and they are only visible in albums, as you can see, and you do have an album called screenshots. So I only have one screenshot in here, but obviously over the time, if I continue taking more, they will all be appearing in here. So this is how we can capture a screenshot on this phone, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.